Well. Hello. Fresh off the golf course with my sweetheart. We had an early Valentine's Day, doing something different from the norm. Uh, getting away from the slave mentality, thinking that you have to do candy and flowers and the traditional gifts and all that stuff like that. What we did was we did something totally different. Go out there and explore one another, explore each other's minds and thinking uh, while out there and vibing. Something totally different. And I touched on uh, what I call the rule on the golf course. I didn't go into detail. I just kind of made a mental note so I'd get back to it. But it involves us brothers, so the ones that grew up here, from this demographic, all the brothers, I don't care who you are, everybody, a lot of us, what we do is uh, the ones that we are fond of, the ones that we did certain things with, we co-sign even when they're wrong. Now me, I don't give a damn. Just being quite frank. I'm not gonna co-sign with you when you're wrong. If you're wrong, you're wrong. I don't care if I did time with you in jail. I don't care if I played football with you. I don't care if I was serving time in the war with you. Uh, I'm not gonna co-sign to your bull. I'm gonna use it like Snoop Dogg say, your bull snitching it. You understand? Uh, but the rule is uh, respect. We have to respect one another first and foremost. Uh, um, we have to unite with unity. The next one is loyalty. We have to be loyal to one another. If we're not loyal to one another, then we're weak. We lose all power. And through the course of that, education. The education part is helping uplift us all as brothers. And with that, we get equality. You know, we try to fight battles individually, just like the young kid that got killed the other day. We should all be in slacks, shirts, meeting up somewhere like Rosewood. I'm talking about, and the people I grew up with, it's thousands of us. And it shouldn't take us that, it shouldn't be that hard for us to get together to do that. And we can walk down to the Austin Police Department. I know if we go down there, thousands, and we can demand equality. We can demand respect. We can demand not being killed by these police officers, because then if we have our unit or a unit and we're all on one accord, then that'll be like them waging war on us. They don't want to wage war, especially if we're in unity. You know, could you imagine police officers being slain around here just continuously? Unity would do that, because the fear factor would leave, you know. But that's not where we want to go, because that's not what they want. So being that that's not what they want, what we need to do is respect each other. Respect, unity, loyalty, education, equality. And when we get equality, we'll make everything, all this stuff around here change. And we don't have to be vicious about it. We just be matter of fact. How is anybody else gonna be loyal to us if we're not loyal to ourselves? You know? That's like I said, um, how could we manage this is 91, how could we manage solving problems in a country away when there's problems in our country based related on race? So that's the war we were fighting over in Iraq. How could we manage solving problems over there when we got problems right here? It's hard. That's why the war's still raging there. It's not over. It's still going, because we still have problems in the United States, right here. But in order for us to make anything happen, we have to start within and work our way out. You know, we can start in our households, and then from our household, we start with the east side. You know, there's more to this. And you will see more to me in relation to this. there's some individuals that I grew up with, and you'd be surprised the difference being 4 year old and 5 year old is when you're at that age. 5 is a big difference from 4. And there's some guys that I really respect because they taught me some things back then. They probably don't realize it now, but I'll touch back on that. I'm gonna be touching back on a lot of other things. But first of all, I want to touch bases on the rule. You know the rules of the game. If you win, being dirty. When you lose, the rules the same. You understand? So respect, unity, loyalty, education brings equality, and we got to take it. I'm gonna touch back, and I'll probably be touching bases with some individuals I grew up on a mano a mano basis. One on one. We can rap a taste. So I like to do everything with humor, and I'm gonna break it down, and I'll get back with y'all a little later. Peace.